Good morning, everyone. I am Angel Mega Andorias, and today I'm excited to share with you my gamified language module titled Quest for the Quill Writing Adventures for Beginners. This is 5-day module is designed to build writing fluency for grade 7 beginner English learners. But with a twist, it turns writing into a magical quest. My learners are 11 to 14 years old, beginner English writers, and most are digital natives who love games and stories. The focus of this module is writing, specifically writing structured paragraphs and short stories using transition words. Instead of drills, I used a fantasy theme with characters' quests and badges to make their experience fun and meaningful. And for the learning objectives, by the end of the module, learners should be able to first write a simple paragraph with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Use transition words like first, next, then, and finally. And the third, revise their own writing to make it more organized. The goal is to build fluency through daily writing quests in a game-like environment. And for our module structure, the module runs for 5 days and each represents a different magical land with a writing mission. Learners take on daily quests and earn points, badges, or titles like Junior Scribe or Master Writer. So for the day one, the Scroll of Beginning, describe a magical place. And the day two, learn about paragraph writing and transitions. Day three, Time Traveler's Tale. So um, the students will write a short story using plot cards. Day four, Revision Gauntlet, peer feedback and revision. And then the day five, final story challenge. The students will write a full story using everything they learned. And for the sample activity, we have here the day one quest. So let me show you a sample of the day one quest called the Scroll of Beginning. So students roll a dice to pick 5 fantasy words like forest, dragon, or castle. And then they write a descriptive paragraph using all 5. They submit their work to the Royal Writing Council, which is, of course, the teacher. So the students are rewarded with badges based on a simple rubric for content, structure, and word use. For the game mechanics, integration. So the dice rules the and random plot cards to add surprise. Then leveling up by earning points and feedback stars, badges for each quest completed. Then titles like Time Guardian or Revision Madge to boost engagement. So these elements transform writing practice into an adventure that encourages the students to participate and show their creativity. So for the assessment strategy, here each activity includes rubrics and aligns with the objectives. So I have here the formative assessments that happens daily through writing tasks and peer review. And then the rubrics guide students in content, transitions, sentence structure, and mechanics. Then the final summative task is a short story, 7 to 10 sentences, using all learned skills. So students revise their work using a checklist called the supervisor's map, which supports self-directed environment. And for the rationale, I designed this module based on the idea that learning should be joyful and interactive rather for our learners. Many students feel nervous about writing, so turning the task into game-like quests helps lower their anxiety and build also their confidence. By using storytelling, role play, and feedback loops, the module promotes practice, creativity, and revision, which are key to developing their fluency. So, to sum up, the quest for the quill transforms writing into a short story or a story based game rather, and it builds writing fluency through daily practice, creativity, and a structured feedback, all in a format that speaks to today's learners. So thank you, and um, I'm happy to share you with this, and God bless.